All right, Yara, have a look outside. You see that windsock?
A windsock?
That's right. It's that tube-looking thing outside with the paper streamers.
Oh, yes, I see it.
What is it doing?
It's moving.
And is it moving fast or moving slow?
Fast, like it's dancing.
Very good. Now, that windsock is moving fast, like it's dancing, because of the wind.
The wind. Oh, I know the wind.
Good, I thought you might. Now, what is it?
Wind is moving air.
Exactly, wind is moving air. Yes, Yara. And right now it's moving pretty fast, no?
Yeah, I think so. I can't really see it.
Well, that's because air is made up of tiny particles called molecules. They're so tiny you can't see them, but when they hit things like a windsock, it makes them move.
Like when wind hits leaves.
Exactly.
So, wind is a bunch of moving molecules.
That it is. Very good, Yara. Now, if you wouldn't mind...
Oh, three.
Oh, goodness. Thank you.
But Mr. Miguel, why do the molecules move? What makes wind move?
Excellent question. Wind moves when warm air and cool air meet. The warm air molecules, well, they move to the top, and the cool air molecules drop down to replace them. And that is how we feel wind.
Ah, so the warm air moving up and the cool air coming down, it's what makes the wind blow.
Exactly. And it does blow really hard, doesn't it?
Yes.
And do you know where wind blows the hardest?
Yes. I know why we can't go to the beach today. Because weather change quickly and clouds make precipitation. Yeah, and wind blows hard.
Yeah. But you know, don't worry, Yara. Humans have lots of fun things to do on, bad weather days.
Yeah?
Of course. Things like movies, board games. Ooh, hot chocolate.
Woo! Can we do those things?
Why do you think I was coming to get you in the first place? Fancy making some hot chocolate?
Whoa! Oh, goody! But first, let's play my favorite card game. Ta-da! Go fish!
Of course, Yara. Let's go have some bad weather fun. All right, let's talk about something.
Okay.
Do you remember what clouds are?
Yes, clouds are tiny drops of water floating in the sky.
Very good. Now, those tiny drops of water can sometimes get bigger. They can grow into these really big drops of water. And when they get too big and too heavy, they end up falling back down to Earth.
Ooh, water drop falling from the sky. Mr. Miguel, this is rain.
That's right. Goodness, Yara. Very good, Yara. Now this is rain. Rain is just one form of precipitation.
Oh, precipitation.
That's right. Precipitation is when water falls from the clouds. It can fall as rain, as you said, but it can also fall as small balls of ice.
Small ball of ice? Yes. Ooh.
Yeah, that's right. This is called hail.
Hail?
Oh, goodness. Now, hail usually falls during a thunderstorm.
Whoa! Whoa! Hail, rain. Are there any more forms of precipitation?
Well, take your snow day. You wanted to go outside and play in the...
Snow! Oh, of course. Snow. Snow is another one.
It is.
Ooh.
Oh, much better. Very good. Snow is another form of precipitation. It's ice crystals that fall from the clouds. They look white and fluffy.
Yeah, and it's happened in the winter, right?
Exactly. Snow only falls when the temperature is very, very cold.
Okay, let's go to the beach and play in the snow.
That sounds good, Yara, but I'm freezing here.
Oh, sorry.
Well, now, look outside. Do you see white fluffy spots falling from the sky?
No, I see. Mr. Miguel, I don't know what I see. It's rain, but it's ice too.
Very good observation, Yara. We call this ice-rain mixture sleet.
Sleet.
Sleet is a mix of rain and snow. It happens when the temperature is cold, but not quite cold enough for snow.
Oh dear, it looks dangerous.
Yes, sleet can make roads very slippery, and it is very dangerous.
So we shouldn't go to the beach.
Well, what do you think? Does this look like beach weather? Actually,
Yes.
yeah, before you answer, can I show you one more thing?
Where?
Outside. We've talked about the weather, we've talked about clouds, and we've talked about precipitation. But I see one more thing that you should be aware of. One more lesson. Okay, Yara. As we said, weather is the condition of the sky and the air outside.
Weather.
That's right. Now, weather changes very quickly and really only lasts for a short time.
Only for a day?
Sometimes.
Oh, only for an hour?
Sometimes. But, the weather can really change at any minute.
Oh, so if it's sunny in the morning, it could be very different in the afternoon.
True, it could be. But if we look outside, the weather isn't very sunny, is it? Today's weather is...
Good for going to the beach.
No, not quite. The words we can use to describe weather are sunny, windy, snowy, or rainy.
Sunny, windy, snowy, or rainy.
And today's weather isn't sunny. Today's weather is...
Wonderful.
Yara?
Oh, but Mr. Miguel, if the weather can change quickly, then today's weather could be very sunny by the afternoon.
It could be.
Yeah, let's go to the beach. Go, 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 go.
Hang on, Yara. Look, we're not done talking about the lesson. Remember, we still have weather and climate.
Aw, climate.
And as I said, climate is the weather over a longer period of time, many, many years. And climate, unlike weather, doesn't change very quickly.
So, if the climate of a place is cold, then, oh dear, it's cold every day?
Not every day. There could be days when the weather is warm. For example, Iceland. There's a cold climate there, but in the summer there are warm days.
Or in Africa, the climate is dry, but it's rain sometimes.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's go to the beach now.
Yara?
Aw, but Mr. Miguel, the weather might change.
I don't think the weather will be changing.
You don't know that.
I do know that.
How?
Had a feeling you'd ask that question. On to the next lesson.
Oh. How do you know what the weather will be this afternoon? Magic?
No, I wish it was magic. Instead, I've got the weather report.
That's not a weather report. That's a phone.
Oh, well, the weather report is on my phone. Every day, a scientist studies the weather and guesses what it will be for that day.
Whoa, how do they study the weather?
Oh, well, they have lots of useful tools, but mainly they look at the clouds.
Clouds, the white fluffy shapes in the sky.
Yes, they can be white and fluffy, but on a scientific level, a cloud is a collection of tiny drops of water. Drops that are so small that they can, float in the air.
Oh, but how do the water drop get into the sky?
Well, that would be the sun.
The sun?
The sun heats up the water in lakes and oceans, and it gets so hot that it turns into a gas. And as a gas, it rises into the sky.
Holy cow.
Pretty neat, right? And this process is called evaporation.
Evaporation.
Right. So the water evaporates into the sky as a gas, but since it's, really cold up in the sky, it cools down again and turns back into tiny drops of water. All of these droplets together are what we know as clouds.
Clouds are amazing.
Yes, clouds are amazing, aren't they? But they're what we study to understand the weather. Because what clouds do in the sky is what the weather will be for us.
Okay, Mr. Miguel, understood.
So you understand how those dark clouds in the sky mean that it's not a beach day?
Yes,
Great.
it's not a beach day.
Yeah, it's a relief to hear you say that.
It's a snow day.
Oh boy. Whew, chilly day outside. Hello, Yara.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm well, Mr. Miguel. Thank you very much for asking.
Those are some nice sunglasses you've got on there, Yara. You look very fancy.
Thank you. I feel fancy.
Well, that's good. What have you got there in your bag? Oh, a bucket. What have you got that for?
Sand.
Sand.
Yes, I'm going to build a sand castle. Woo!
That's nice. Bucket. Suntan lotion.
Yeah, from my skin.
To protect it from the sun. Oh.
Yeah, the sun rays are dangerous even though we can't see them.
Right, very true, Yara. And that is especially true today.
Why's that?
That's because it's raining, Yara. The weather outside's terrible.
Weather? What weather?
Oh, well, weather is the condition of the sky and the air outside. And right now, the weather isn't very pleasant.
Impossible! I read that Nova Valley has a warm, sunny climate.
Well, that's just climate.
And?
Well, climate, my dear little Yara, is the weather over a long period of time. Let's say many, many years. So the climate may be warm and sunny, but as for today's weather, it's not very warm and sunny at all.
So, you won't come to the beach with me?
How about this? Let's learn a little bit about weather and climate first, and then we'll decide if we still want to go to the beach.
Oh, goody.